3 niche marketing examples for affiliate marketing websites. It can be kind of tricky trying to figure out which niche to go into as an affiliate marketer. That's why these niche marketing examples articles can help. On the one hand, you want to go into a niche where there's plenty of money to be made. On the other hand, you don't want too much competition unless you're prepared to work like a maniac to break into a highly competitive niche. No doubt some niches are more profitable than others. However, most niches can be monetized. The point of this article is to provide you 3 niche marketing examples that you can use directly or use as inspiration to start thinking a little differently if you're having a hard time choosing a niche. 5 niche marketing examples. 1. Sub-physical product line. What does this mean? It's simple really. Take a product line and break it down to a sub-product line. For example, one product line is dining room tables, which is a decent niche. However, you can drill down to dining room tables for apartment. What would I do with this niche marketing example? I'd consider 2 approaches. A. Do a site all about dining room tables and then have a section on dining room tables for apartments. This is a larger site, but larger sites are good if you're inclined to do the work. B. Do a dining room furniture site, with portals for dining room tables and another portal on dining room tables for apartments. You could also have a whole section on dining room furniture for apartments. 2. Medical treatment and equipment. You can use this tip directly or take the concept behind it to coming up with another niche website idea. There's a huge market for the treatment of various ailments. Most of these products are digital products. But, why stop with digital products when you can also promote physical products? Take joint pain for example. There's all kinds of people suffering arthritis and other joint pain conditions. As a result of reduced mobility, there's an opportunity to also promote medical assistance products such as scooters, wheelchairs, specially built bathtubs. The list goes on. The point here is to always consider both the digital and physical product promotional opportunities. I caution you here that if you go into a health niche, especially one about treatment, to do your research carefully and thoroughly. 3. Target a business industry. If you're reading this, chances are you know more about marketing online than 90% of the world. You're probably already an expert on the subject. Why not take your expertise, but instead of focusing on the broad internet marketing, niche it down to a particular business type. Think doctors, restaurants, photographers, etc. I actually publish a site exactly like this and it's a wonderful site with little competition. I promote a few products, digital and physical, to my particular industry. It's also an ideal niche opportunity for building a list. Once you establish yourself as an authority in the industry, you'll have many opportunities arise. For example, I've been asked to consult in my industry simply because of the website. The best product to promote with this type of site, in my view, is the best business management software for your industry. Often this type of software offers recurring commissions which can be a long-term goldmine for you. That said, if the best software doesn't offer recurring commissions, that's still no reason not to promote it.